leading music magazine Rolling Stone has released its 100 best songs of 2023, which include 8 tracks by K-pop artists such as Super Shy by NewJeans.
세계적인 음악 매체 롤링스톤이 발표한 2023년 올해의 노래 100곡 리스트에 뉴진스의 슈퍼 샤이를 포함해서 8곡이 K-팝 8곡의 K-팝이 올랐습니다. 그래요. 자, 이 내용을 좀 볼게요. 뭐 굉장히 대단하네요. 8곡이나. Tell us more.
Yeah, some of the artists, as mentioned, NewJeans, 17, Twice, V, Jisoo, 50/50, aespa, and Jungkook, all a part of the top 100. Yeah. And, you know, I wasn't actually so familiar with these songs, so I actually went in and listened to each one of them.
Oh, yeah?
On YouTube last night. And I've got to say, they're all great. Especially, I actually liked some of the lower ranked songs as opposed to the higher. Like, I thought Spicy from aespa was a very good song. Okay. Flower by Jisoo, I thought was not only a good song, but I really liked her choreography in the music video. I thought it was very clever, some of the choreography that they did in the music video.
This is Jisoo from Blackpink,
yes,
right?
Yeah. So I thought, not only were the songs, great, I thought the music videos were fun and interesting as well. So, great year for K-pop again.
네, 지금 이제 뉴진스 같은 경우는 6위. 그다음에는 이제 아까 17, Twice, V, 지수, 50/50, 에스파 그리고 정국까지 멘션을 해주셨는데요. 순위는 뭐 다 다릅니다만 100곡 안에 들어요. 이제 국내 기사에서는 사실은 K-팝 곡이 9곡이다라고 하는 기사들도 있어요. 왜냐면은 한국에서 만들어진 일본 멤버들의 그룹이 있습니다. XG라고. XG도 이 롤링스톤 리스트 안에 들어갔어요. 근데 영문 기사에 보니까 뺐더라고요. 이제 K-팝으로 분류를 하지 않은 기사들이 있길래 저희도 그렇게 지금 일단은 영어로 전해드리고 있는데 네, XG도 이 안에 들었다는 걸 말씀을 드립니다. Let's have a look at the first expression here. And it's leading magazine.
Yeah, so when we say something is leading, it's acknowledged as being the best or one of the best, a top brand, essentially. So they're saying leading music magazine, Rolling Stone. So they're saying that, well, Rolling Stone is acknowledged as one of the best or popular or respected music magazines, which it clearly is.
It is, yes.
Yeah. I'd say Billboard would be another one, Rolling Stone, are sort of like the two of the bigger ones. Yeah.
leading이라는 형용사는요. 선두에 서 있다라는 뜻입니다. 그래서 굉장히 대표적이고 유명하고 잘 알려져 있는 무엇이라는 뜻이 되겠고요. track라는 표현이 있어요. So there are at least 8 tracks that you can say are K-pop songs.
Yeah, so a song or a recording is often also called a track.
Yeah.
And when songs are recorded in studios, they're often recorded on various tracks. Sort of like a train track. The train can't go off the track. It's like this one road that they're kind of stuck on. And in the same sort of way, when you record songs in a studio, you might have like a drum track that it's set for itself, that only the drums are on. There's another track for the guitar, another track. So there's a lot of different tracks, and then they're all mixed into one track, which is your final song.
Right.
So it's just another way of saying a song.
If we get really technical, as you said, one track could be divided into many different tracks.
Yeah.
But in this case, it simply means a song.
Now, back in the day, we did have something called an 8-track, and it was another form of like a cassette tape. So now, you have CDs, MP3. A long time ago, we had cassettes and records. But even before that, there was something called an 8-track that you would put into like your car stereo system. And it played on a loop.
Interesting. 네, 트랙이라고 우리가 외래어로 말하기도 하는데요. 이게 여기서는 이제 곡, 노래라는 뜻으로 쓰인 거고요. There are 8 tracks that's from K-pop artists 이렇게 얘기를 하고 있고 그다음에 우리가 육상 경기를 할 때는 그 각각의 레인, 이것도 트랙이라고 하나요?
Track and field.
그
Yeah.
경기 자체를 track and field 이렇게 얘기를 하죠. 그래서 달리기 같은 것들 이렇게 표현합니다.
And sometimes when a CD is released or an album is released, they might say this has 9 tracks
Yeah.
on it. So there's
Yes.
9 different recordings on that album.
That's right. Well, here's the headline again. Leading music magazine Rolling Stone has released its 100 best songs of 2023, which include 8 tracks by K-pop artists, such as Super Shy by NewJeans. And let's move on to the next headline.